Buying a camera didn't make me fall in love with photography. Seeing my photos finally match how they felt did. That gap between what you saw and what the camera recorded, that's where editing lives. It stops being optional and starts becoming part of the craft. Today I'm testing Luminar Neo, and I want to show you why a lot of photographers quietly keep it in their workflow. Let's be honest, most editing software feels like work. Sliders, panels, endless menus. You fix one thing and somehow break three others. And when you're tired, busy, or just wanted to post something now, you either rush the edit or don't edit at all. So what exactly is Luminar Neo? Luminar Neo is a photo editor powered by AI, but not the kind that turns your photos into plastic. You know what I mean? So what stood out to me while using it is how fast I can get to my vision without feeling like I'm giving out my own personal creative control. It focuses on the things that photographers actually fix every day. And for me, that's light, skin, sometimes sky, and mood. And it does this really fast. You can use it as a standalone editor or alongside Lightroom or Photoshop. And yes, it works on desktop and mobile. Let's start with light depth, which used to be called Relight AI in earlier versions. You know those photos where the subject is too dark, the background is too bright, and adjusting exposure just ruins everything. Let me use this photo I took last month. With light depth, I can adjust the foreground and background lighting separately. As you can see, it intelligently picks up layers and adjusts the light, where it actually makes sense. It actually looks like you're holding a flashlight on the side that you can freely move up and down and between layers. Okay, I'm zooming in and can see that there's also an option to finely adjust its softness. This is amazing. How I wish this has been invented before. From testing it, it has been a lifesaver for portraits, backlit scenes, and travel photos shot in harsh light. Then there's Sky AI. Yes, sky replacement but done with restraint. I don't personally use this all the time, but when a sky is completely flat, it is surprisingly useful. Let me test this on another photo that I took. And with this, I can replace a dull sky, add clouds, change the time of day, or just enhance what's already there. And it's automatically masks trees, buildings, and you know what? I think even hair. No obvious cutouts, no halos. Pair it with atmosphere AI, which is the fog, mist, and haze, and suddenly a flat landscape has depth. If you shoot people, this part really matters. And honestly, this is one of the reasons I've been testing Luminar Neo a lot. I normally spend a lot of time in Photoshop for skin work. Here, it handles skin imperfections intelligently and fast. I can remove blemishes, soften skin, enhance eyes without the subject being obviously edited. So for my testing, the portrait tools that stands out are Face AI for subtle skin smoothing, blemish removal without flattering texture, eye enhancement that doesn't glow, body and face adjustments that stays realistic. It feels respectful to the person in the photo. Okay, I think this is one of the most standout features in the 1.26 version update. Photo restoration uses AI to remove cracks and stains, correct fading, bring colors back to old photos, restore texture naturally. It says you just have to import a scan or an old snapshot and it rebuilds what time had erased. This is a very old photo of myself I found in the cupboard. I can honestly potentially fix this in Photoshop, but might take some time to do it. With Luminar Neo, all I have to do is to add it to the catalog, drag it here, and then click Restore. Here it is. Looking good, it seems that it isn't just a cleanup. It actually feels like bringing old memories back to life. I am also kinda intrigued with this upscale feature, so why not try this as well? If you are following me on Instagram or visit my website, I love taking landscape in Astra. I recently took a photo of the horsehead in Flame Nebula the other night using Dwarf Mini. It's good, but I wanted to increase the resolution. Wow, this is so impressive. I usually use another software called Topaz Gigapixel AI to increase sizes, but not getting something as clean and remarkable result like this. Well, I guess this will also be one of the features that I will test and use the most. If you're interested in that pocket-sized smart telescope from Dwarf Lab, I'll post a review soon on this channel, so stay tuned. Okay, from using it, Luminar Neo has so much to offer that feels right for photographers who want great results without fighting software. Care more about mood than, let's say, technical perfection. Edit often but don't want editing to feel like work. It doesn't replace your style, it helps you finish your photos. Photography doesn't end up when you press the shutter. That's just a capture. Editing is where the image becomes honest to what you felt when you took it. And from testing it, Luminar Neo makes that part faster, cleaner, and surprisingly enjoyable. I'll keep on using it and post more edits in the coming videos. Hey, if you're curious and want to try Luminar Neo for yourself, I've put a link in the description below. That's the version I've been testing here, so you can see if it fits your workflow. It will also help to support this channel. Thank you. Cheers.